Hello my dear students, this is grade 9 video for your subject enrichment. In this video, you are going to comprehend what is newspaper, then why it is important to read newspaper, then importance of newspaper in students' life, and then benefits of reading newspaper for students. And the foremost one is you are going to perceive about the leading newspaper, The Hindu. Shall we go? Are you ready, children? What is the first thing that arrives in our home every day? What is the first thing that arrives in our home every day, children? It is a newspaper that reaches our doorstep with the latest news of the entire world. So, what is the first thing that arrives? It is a newspaper that reaches our doorstep with the latest news of the entire world. For many, a newspaper earmarks the beginning of every day. It is the strongest tool of mass communication used to circulate information among the common people and let everyone know about a situation or event. So, newspaper is the strongest tool of mass communication used to distribute information among the people and let everyone know about a situation or event. The elders start their day with a newspaper in one hand and a cup of tea. You will also find many reading news on a moving bus or a local train. Isn't it? In your home also, I think your elders start their day like this. Have you seen or not? Otherwise, on a moving bus or in train, you can find people reading news. Yes or no? It is an excellent habit that people display. That reading newspaper is an excellent habit that people show. It shows how eager they are to learn about the different events happening around the world. So that reading newspaper, no, they are reading. They don't want to waste their time unnecessarily. So they read newspaper on a moving bus or in train. This shows how eager they are to learn about what? The different events happening around the world. Hence, a newspaper is an excellent medium for delivering knowledge and communicating with many people. So, newspaper is an excellent method for delivering knowledge and communicating with many people. This medium has been used for ages. For what? To spread awareness. This channel, that means newspaper, has been used for ages to spread awareness, to spread the knowledge what is happening around the world. So this medium is doing that. Okay, so reading newspaper is an excellent habit, children. So have the habit of reading newspaper. Okay. Over the years, we have witnessed a huge transformation of the formats followed by the newspapers. Yes, we have observed a huge transformation of the formats followed by the newspaper. So, what are the transformations? Apart from the news, there are entertainment sections. Yes, there are entertainment sections where kids find funny cartoons. Adults find amazing puzzles to solve. Have you seen or not? Yes, the newspapers are the cheapest way to gather information regarding worldly issues. So newspapers are the cheapest way to gather information regarding worldly problems. They have become colorful and more pages are added to every day's publication. Nowadays newspapers, they have become colorful and more pages are added to every day's publication. There is an abundance of information. There is a plenty of information we can find in today's newspapers. We have taken a step further and made this excellent medium of communication digital. What? We have taken a step further. So, made this excellent medium of communication digital. It means one can now read newspapers on their smartphones or laptops. Do you know? Yes, it is being accepted in the entire world to save trees. Now newspapers become digitalized. You can read newspapers on your smartphones or laptops. So it is being accepted by all the people in the world. For what? To save trees. So now huge transformation is followed by the newspapers. Apart from news, there are entertainment sections for kids. Kids, they can enjoy funny cartoons. Adults, they can do puzzles. Then newspapers are the cheapest way. Then it is used to gather information regarding worldly issues. Now it has become colorful and more pages are added. Then plenty of information we can find in newspapers. And foremost one now, what? Newspapers have become digitalized. Okay. A newspaper is printed in the local language so that it can reach out to the maximum and spread awareness regarding the important issues happening locally or globally. Yes, children, a newspaper is printed in the local language. That means here we can get Tamil newspaper also, so that it can reach out to the maximum number of people and it spreads awareness regarding the important issues happening locally or worldwide. Over 100,000 publications are registered alone in India. See, 100,000 publications are registered. Imagine the total number of newspaper readers you will find in our country. If 100,000 publication means, imagine the total number of newspaper readers. This is an excellent tool that has immense power. Newspaper is an excellent tool that has immense power. It can control the emotions of the public reading newspapers. So, newspaper can control the emotions of the public. Hence, journalism is a very sensitive issue these days. So, that's why journalism is a very sensitive issue. One seeks the right information. People, they look for the right information regarding a particular event. If the newspaper is not providing the right news, then what will happen? It can be very harmful to the fate of some and the country. What will happen? It can be very harmful to the fate of some and the country. Newspapers are very important for a progressive society. Yes, newspapers are very important for a developing, growing society. The impact of a newspaper can be easily judged. Yes, the effect of a newspaper can be easily judged if we consider its effect on the Indian independence and revolutions associated with it. So, we consider its effect on the Indian independence and the reformations, revolutions, reformation, innovations associated with it. It was used as a major tool. Newspaper was used as a major tool to educate people regarding important situations and make them aware. It is then the mass will unite and stand against evil and for good. So, newspaper was used as a major tool to educate people and educate people regarding important situation and make them aware. Since then, the newspapers have become a part and parcel of the modern world. Yes, children, the newspapers have become a part and parcel of the modern world. It is the newspaper that provides information in detail. It has become a part and parcel of our daily lives. It has become an essential part of our daily lives. Yes, newspaper has become a necessary thing in our daily lives. News related to government policies, political events, international events, sports, silver screen, entertainment, etc. reach us through this medium. We all find out our favorite sections and read the entire news to stay updated with the development of a particular event we have been following. We also find job related information or any declaration made by a person in the local newspaper. Yes, newspaper provides information in detail. Through this medium, we can get the news related to government policies, political events, international events, sports, entertainment. We all find out our favorite sections and read the entire news. For what we read the entire news? To stay updated with the development of a particular event. Then we can find job related information also, or any declaration made by a person in the local newspapers. Why it is important to read the newspaper? News is one of the most important things in most people's lives. No matter what you do for a living, chances are you are engaged with the news at some level on a daily basis. On most days of the week, something is happening on a local, regional, national, or global scale that merits headline coverage, isn't it? For a lots of people, the first question that comes to mind each morning is, what are the latest news headlines? Yes or no? Whether a particular news item is exciting and uplifting, tragic and scary, or sensationalistic, that means very thrilling, or trivial, that means unimportant. It's likely to be a topic of conversation at some point in the hours and days ahead between you and your friends, family, and work colleagues, as well as random strangers at grocery stores and coffee shops. Yes or no? Yes. People get their news these days from a variety of sources, including television, radio, magazines, and the internet. However, newspapers remain the most time-honored medium through which news is delivered to people of all the ages throughout the country. More than half of the world's adults read a paper each day. Yes, more than half of the world's adults read a paper each day. The uses of newspaper reading are numerous. For starters, a well-rounded paper provides coverage of global and local news, weather forecasts, and a whole host of entertainment and sports topics. Additionally, newspapers can keep you informed of nearby store openings, sales, and job opportunities. Most of the people prefer to get their news straight from a reliable source, such as a newspaper, rather than hearing it from friends or online or through other sources. Newer media come and go, but the format of newspapers has held strong throughout the decades. Yes, children. So, newspapers has held strong. Let us see some features of the newspaper. World news. One of the biggest benefits of reading newspapers on a regular basis is keeps you informed of all the latest world events. Yes, it informs all the latest world events. Depending on what's currently happening in the world, the news could involve matters of high consequence such as war, climate, the economy, and national elections, or topics that are arguably more trivial, that means not essential, such as celebrity gossip and debates on minor issues. It's useful to stay updated on news items as they unfold. By reading newspaper on a daily basis, you are better equipped. Yes, children, by reading newspaper on a daily basis, you are better equipped. That means you are enabled to form opinion on things that are currently happening. And you are also likely to be prepared if a world event has a direct impact on your life. If you stay updated on news items, you can form opinions on things that are currently happening, children. So stay updated. Local news. Another major advantage to reading newspapers daily is you are always up to date on important local news. Whether you live in or near a big city or small town, things are happening regularly that affect your community in various ways, isn't it? Some of the news might involve local elections or public policy, while other stories might relate special events such as the unveiling of bridges or public monuments or the opening of new business in your area. Of course, hardly a day goes by without some bad local news, whether it happens to involve a fire, a fatal traffic accident, or a holdup. Still, it's crucial to be informed about both good and bad. Yes, it's important to be informed about both good and bad things that affect our community, because that will keep you up to date on public safety issues, new attractions, upcoming elections, changes in local policy, and other things that concern adults in general. Weather forecasts. Newspapers are also a great source of information on daily and weekly weather forecasts. Whether it's a day of work or leisure, the weather situation could largely determine what you will choose to wear and how you will go about commuting to and from your points of destination. That means traveling to and from your points of destination. For example, if your daily commute, that means if your daily travel to work involves numerous blocks of walking and at least one connection on your local public transport system, harsh weather could impact the time it will take to make that commute, not to mention the warmer clothes you will need to wear in order to reach your destination comfortably. In the event of snow or heavy storms, your regular commute might be impossible. That's a crucial thing to know before you even attempt to head outside. Likewise, vacation plans and trips to the mall can also be affected by unusual weather. Basically, weather is just one of those unavoidable factors. What? Weather is just one of those unavoidable factors you must take into consideration regardless of your plans. Next, entertainment. Serious topics are not the only things covered in most newspapers. Yes, children, serious topics are not the only things covered in most newspapers. Fact is, the majority of readers see equal importance in the areas of entertainment and recreation. Yes, importance in the areas of entertainment and relaxation. Majority of the readers see equal importance in areas of entertainment and relaxation. After all, what would a day be like if there were no music? What would be a day be like if there were no music, movies or fun activities to distract from the often dreary realities, that means harsh realities of world events and politics as usual? What would be a day like? Entertainment coverage can range from reviews of the latest movies and music releases, then to previews of upcoming concerts and theatrical productions. Whatever you preferred, newspapers are an excellent source of information on the dates and places of bands that are coming to town, as well as movies that are playing at various theaters in your area. Then, if Bollywood gossip strikes your curiosity, then newspapers can keep you informed of all the latest information on your favorite celebrities. Yes or no? Yes. Even if you are simply staying home and watching television, then newspapers are a trusty source for information on channels and air times of must-see programs. That means broadcasting of important programs on basic TV and cable. Next, sports. For people who get their kicks from watching and analyzing ball games, speed races, and wrestling matches, newspapers are also a plentiful source of sports coverage. No matter which sports are in season, chances are there's a decisive win. Chances are there's a final win or an upset to be reported from the grounds of one of the major sporting leagues. When a home team is in contention, the coverage no doubt has readers glued to the pages as headline after feverish headline exaggerated the local spirit. Even in communities far removed from any major league, teams, or professional athletes, sports sections are one of the main priorities of coverage in newspapers. Yes, sports sections are one of the main priorities of coverage in newspapers, and it's all because of the importance sports hold in the hearts of people. In crosswords and horoscopes, the fun part of newspapers doesn't end with the comic section. Many newspapers also feature word games, crossword puzzles, and horoscopes. Have you seen it or not? Yes, word games are often fun because they challenge the naked eye to pick out words from the multiple rows and columns of random letters. Crossword puzzles are similarly fun because the challenge is on you to guess the missing word and see if it fits within the corresponding row or column of empty boxes. Whether or not you believe in astrology, horoscopes provide interesting food for thought regarding things that might be in store for you in the days ahead. Yes, the fun part of newspapers doesn't end with the comic section. Many newspapers they feature word games, crossword puzzles, and horoscopes. I think you might have seen these in newspapers. Next, coupons and circulars. Can you see any coupons or circulars? Yes, newspapers can also help you save money when you check out the circulars, which feature multiple pages of items that are currently on sale at nearby grocery chains and department stores. And from food and over the counter medicine to toiletries, stationery supplies, and furniture, the coupon section is a must check source for people wishing to get more bang for their bucks. Depending on the size of your household, thrifty coupon usage could ultimately save your amount from your grocery bills. As far as furniture is concerned, that fancy computer table or sofa or love seat combo could be yours for anywhere from 20% to 50% off the retail price if you simply browse the coupon section for the latest nearby sale on furnishings. Next, the classifieds. Perhaps you are not so interested in the latest news or entertainment stories, but would like to know about the house or yard sales in your area. For all of that and more, there's the classified ad section, which contains ads for everything from job opportunities to car sales and various other offers that could make or save you money. During times of unemployment, countless readers have browsed the classifieds for everything from day jobs to night shifts to telecommuting opportunities. Some people have landed high paying dream jobs after following up on leads through the classifieds, while many others have found part time positions to supplement their incomes. Whatever it is, you might be looking for an office, a used van, a second hand big screen television. Chances are you will find it if you diligently browse the classifieds in your local newspapers. Yes. Next section, the personals. There are a lot of lonely people in this world, but no one really has to stay that way. For every person sitting alone by the television on a Saturday night, there's probably a soulmate in a similar situation within a 10 to 20 mile radius around our town. Whether you are young, middle aged, or older, there's no reason to accept being lonely for too long. Which is why newspapers have long featured personal ads so readers can find your partnerships. All types of singles submit ads to the personals which have been responsible for pairing up perfectly compatible individuals whose paths would otherwise never cross. If you consider yourself the shy type, there's no need to worry because shyness is a common trait among singles who frequent the personals. In a sense, the personals could be seen as singles bars for shy people. Newspapers have long featured personal ads, so lonely people they can find romantic partnerships. Next, advertisements. If you run a local business, newspapers are one of the best media in which to advertise. Though many business owners assume the best way to reach customers is through television commercials, the cost of airtime can eat away at any profits generated from the increased exposure and resultant foot traffic. Newspapers, by contrast, offer an affordable medium in which all types of businesses can get products and services exposed to consumers within a given range of distribution. In fact, some people have amassed fortunes. So that means some people have collected their chance by taking one tiny ad that generates business in a local newspaper and repeating that ad in thousands of papers nationwide. Yes, some people have got their bright future by taking one tiny ad that produces business in local newspaper and repeating that ad in thousands of papers nationwide. Next, let's see the importance of newspaper in students' life. Reading newspaper in daily basis is really important for students. This provides them high general knowledge. Yes, students, reading newspaper provides you high general knowledge. Critical understanding of students also get enhanced, also get upgraded by the habit of newspaper reading. It increases the stock of words in them. It increases the stock of words, the supply of words in them. It increases the words vocabulary. It increases your vocabulary. As students are the future of a country, they should be aware of the incidents going on in the country. Students are kept updated with the latest news by the newspaper. The newspaper has created a positive impact on society. Yes, children, it has created a positive effect on society. It helps people become aware of current affairs and stay curious about them. When the public will question, it means they are aware. If a public questions, it means they are aware. This is exactly what a newspaper does. It is also the finest link you can find between the government and its people. So newspaper as the finest link is the finest link you can find between the government and its people. Newspapers provide people with every detail, no matter how small. So newspaper provide even a small matter. Furthermore, it helps us become informed citizens. It helps us become informed citizens. Whenever there are any changes in the rules and regulations of the country, newspapers make us aware of them. Yes or no? Whenever there are any changes in the rules and regulations of the country, newspapers make us aware of them. Moreover, they are very informative for students. So, newspapers are very informative for students. A student can learn all about general knowledge and current affairs from here. So, you can learn about all general knowledge and current affairs. We stay updated with the technological advancements, government policies, research studies and more. So you stay updated, you can stay updated with the technological advancements, government policies, research studies and more. Other than that, newspapers also have incredible articles that handle social issues, cultures, arts and more. It conveys the public opinion to the people on important issues. So, newspaper conveys the public opinion to the people on important issues. This will in turn help people review the government and ministers well. Similarly, people get great employment opportunities from newspapers. That you know, I think. People get great employment opportunities from newspapers. Those seeking jobs look through newspapers to get reliable job opportunities. Let's see why it is important for the students to read the newspaper. Students must read the newspaper loud and clear in order to enhance their reading skills. So what you should do? You must read the newspaper loud and clear in order to increase your reading skills. Reading 3 to 4 paragraphs of any news that interest them daily can help in improving their reading skills. So you can read 3 or 4 paragraphs of any news that interests you daily. So that will help you in improving your reading skill. If you want to improve your reading skills, you have to read loud and clear to increase to intensify your reading skill. Then you have to read 3 to 4 paragraphs daily. That will improve your reading skill. Then you can enhance your knowledge. In what way? So newspapers include the latest information about different fields, including sports, politics and business. So reading newspaper regularly helps in enhancing general knowledge and also provides knowledge about the current affairs. Having good knowledge on different subjects gives the students on the edge, an edge over their peers. So newspapers include the latest information about different fields. Different fields means sports, politics and business. Okay. So you can enhance your general knowledge, and also newspaper provides knowledge about the current affairs. Then you can strengthen your vocabulary. Newspaper articles and news write-ups include rich vocabulary. Students who read the newspaper regularly develop a good vocabulary which helps them in their academics, and also when they participate in competition, it helps them. So, in what way you can strengthen your vocabulary? So, in newspaper articles and newspapers, news write-ups, they have rich vocabulary. So, students, you should read those articles and write-ups regularly, then you can develop a good vocabulary. If you have a good vocabulary, then it helps you in your academics, and also it helps you when you participate in different competitions. Then newspaper reading improves your grammar. Reading newspapers regularly is also a good way to improve grammar. Not only enhance your knowledge or reading skills or strengthen your vocabulary, it improves your grammar also. So students who inculcate the habit of reading the newspaper regularly develop a great understanding of the use of punctuations. If you read the newspaper daily, you can understand the use of punctuation. So when and where the punctuations are used. They also become skilled at structuring sentences properly. So you can learn to frame a sentence properly, how to frame sentences if you read the newspaper regularly. Then it helps in enhancing your writing skills too. So if you want to improve in your writing skill, then have the habit of reading newspaper regularly. Okay? Newspaper reading helps you to prepare for competitive examination. Yes, it helps in preparing the students for different competitive examinations, as these tests mainly assess their general knowledge. The newspaper carries a lot of significance for humans. If we read the newspaper daily, it can develop our reading habit and make us more fluent. It has also mind-brain exercise games like puzzles, Sudoku, and more to sharpen people's brains. Furthermore, we can also go through the comic strips and cartoons to keep ourselves entertained. Students must take out some time from their schedule every day to read newspapers owing to the numerous benefits it offers. In schools and colleges, students have to undergo a lot of researches and to deal with their school projects. Yes or no? And for this, they need to search for various ideas, creations, and a better design. Thus, a newspaper is a handy source of getting multiple topics, as almost recent searches are discussed in it. Not only ideas, but news about many discoveries, launches, and establishments are also published in newspapers that are really helpful in covering up projects. Then students can get information about various topics with the help of newspaper. They become a good orator, which further helps in taking active part in debates, speeches, and discussions. When a student possesses knowledge about different topics, he or she can be able to speak without any hesitation in front of others. This ultimately increases his or her level of confidence. Newspaper reading as a habit can be a tricky activity for those who don't know how to read. While thinking to learn a new language, there's no other better option than to take a help of newspaper, as it comes in different languages in different cities according to the mother tongue of the people living there. So reading newspaper daily is really a good habit that provides a great sense of educational value. It carries a lot of information about the happenings in the world, what all is going on in the country, town and nearby areas. In fact, we get all necessary related information through the means of newspaper. So, students, you should make a habit of reading newspaper daily in the morning while having a cup of tea or coffee. Okay? The value of reading a newspaper extends far beyond what you get in the news, entertainment, lifestyle, and money saving realms. If you regularly read a well written, well balanced paper, it could also help stimulate brain function. Yes, the well written and well balanced paper is none other than the Hindu newspaper. The Hindu has its most extensive circulation base in southern India and is the most widely read English newspaper in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, Telangana and Karnataka. The newspaper started weekly in September 1978 and eventually became a daily broadsheet newspaper. The Hindu is the best English dailies in South India. Now let's see the logo and its significance. The Kamadhenu, a divine bovine goddess described in Hindu mythology as a mother of all cows, suggests auspiciousness marked by success. The sun is a source of knowledge and vitality, a living force. India, the mother country. The elephant represents strength and power. The Shankh represents the voice of people. The lotus stands for purity and independence. The blades of grass stand for multiplicity and fertility. That means the growing popularity of the paper. Now let's see the content of the Hindu newspaper. First content, political news. It covers city, state and national political news. The Hindu has 3 pages for state news. Second content, city news. It categorized into entertainment news, crime news and social news. The Hindu has 2 pages for city news. Third content is sports news. It has 5 pages. It includes articles about all sports including hockey, badminton and motorcycling. The subcategories for sports news are interviews, feature and general sports news. Fourth content is national news. The Hindu gives priority to national news. The Hindu allots 1 page for this. Fifth content is international news. The Hindu allots 1 page for international news. The subcategory of international news is entertainment news and celebrity news. The Hindu with the Chennai edition brings out supplements and features on all days of the week. On Mondays, Metro Plus, Business Review, Education Plus. On Tuesdays, Metro Plus, Young World, Book Review. On Wednesdays, Metro Plus, Empower. On Thursdays, Metro Plus, NXG, Science, Engineering, Technology and Agriculture. On Fridays, Friday Review and Metro Plus Weekend. On Saturdays, Metro Plus, then Habitat. On Sundays, Weekly Magazine, Downtown, Cinema Plus, Classifieds, Open Page, Literary Review every first Sunday. So these are the supplements. The Hindu is probably the best English newspaper in contemporary, not just in terms of vocabulary, but also the kind of journalism they practice. To be more precise about the vocabulary and writing style of the Hindu, it is one such newspaper which will use the exact words in replacement to a particular situation. If you have an average command on English and you want to improve your vocabulary, then the Hindu should be your first preference. If you are looking for a newspaper to increase your vocab, then the Hindu newspaper will be an ideal option. You will find some tough or new words written in the articles that we don't speak or read regularly. It is frequently read by businessmen, political analysts, and the students preparing for any competitive examination. Undoubtedly, the Hindu newspaper is the best option to capture what is happening around. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you, children.